All right, spoil your loved ones with the gifts of kits this holiday season. We love kits.
Oh, I love kits. Tracy's standing by learning how you can share the glam.
Yeah, sharing the glam. So our very own Courtney is not here today, and she said, Tracy, can you do this glam segment? And I said, hello, totally. So Mickey Williams is the person we're going to be talking to. She's all about share the glam, right? So we have some glam kits for people who have glam people in their lives, right? And you want to gift them. So Mickey, good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing great. I have 3 of those kits right here to show you that are awesome, and that actually I always say if you're going to gift, you need to give something that you're going to give yourself or the closest person to you, right?
Okay, what are some of your favorites?
First off, we are obsessed with the Lotto Lips kits because not only are they like a great stocking stuffer, but this is their collection trios. They actually are great if you want, they're all individually wrapped. So if you want to steal one for yourself even and keep it, it's great. They have their water lip collection, which is like zero wax. It has this like holographic shimmer to it. It's got peppermint oil. It's a really lightweight kit that you can have. It has 3 different colors. Or they also have their Lana 101s, which is that really beautiful balm that they have. And there's like gorgeous colors like gold, these, shimmering colors, but you can also wear them on your cheeks. And they're just awesome. They're under $40. You can even get them on Amazon last minute. So we love that idea.
I like that too. Is that something you can wear individually, or is that something that you need to put over a lipstick you already have on?
You can do it any way you want it. And of course, we're talking about buying for others, right?
Oh, oops, sorry.
But no, I am going to steal some for myself. And I have it on right now. I put on the gold over a red. So it's good, but it's also good for your lips because it's that Australian grade lanolin. So it really, truly does repair while you're wearing it. And it's clean, which we love. So it's great. We love it.
Beans.
And then I want to say, I know a lot of us are doing gift certificates this time of year, and I want to say, you can get your mom a massage, you can get your mom like maybe, I don't know, a facial, but she's going to walk out feeling great, but she's not going to walk out looking great. And so I recently got myself a mommy makeover at a Deviness salon, and I think if you're going to give mom a gift certificate, I think you should give her a Deviness one, because let me tell you something, honey. You go into the salon and they scrub your head with the most clean beauty, and these incredible stylists do anything. If she wants a haircut or whatever, you just have to go to their salon locator. But while you're in there, you can bring back any of these products. And all of these products are like handcrafted.
Aren't they Italian made too, Mickey?
Yes, they're from Parma, Italy. They're amazing. Have you ever used these? They blew my mind, and they actually work, and they're really good for you, and they're good for your hair, but also just that experience of taking mom into a salon and letting her get that kind of scent journey while she's getting a scalp scrub, blows me away.
And you know what? They're also good for coarse hair or texturized hair. And that's what I liked about this one.
Yeah, totally. They have everything. I love it. And again,
do you want to talk a little bit about the scents? I've already started smelling some of them.
Yes. We do have some scents. If you're going to buy for him this year, you really and truly want to go with like maybe what's trending or something that you can kind of like identify the dude with. You know what I like to say? So first off, we have Caroline Herrera's Bad Boy Cobalt. All right. This is really awesome because it's a gift set, and it has this like modern masculinity kind. Their theme with these different scents is like this one. I love this little, if you can see that lightning bolt bottle, it'll look good on your vanity too, honey. But what's cool about it is it actually does smell good, right? But their theme on this guy is just like a modern man.
And he has
like
a travel
into his brotherhood.
He should always
he has travel, he has everything. It's a free pet set. And then the other one that is still, I know this has been like for several years now, Paco Rabanne's 1 Million is still the #1 trending scent. Really? And it's because it is so yummy. It has this like leather and amber and tangerine smell that works differently on each dude. Okay. Guys love it, but girls love it too. I just think these are great sets because you don't get these sets all year long, right? It's good, right? And you're going to get that deal on it right now because they package these holiday sets to be affordable, but also to be at an incredible value. So if you are going to get the set, go ahead and get the kit because you're probably going to get it for the price that you would have gotten.
Is that a bar of gold in the middle?
I know, it looks like a bar of gold. Mickey, you've done a great job with putting all this together. I know you're coming back a little bit later in the 10 o'clock hour, and you have even more gifts. I think those might be a little bit more situated maybe for the woman in your life.
Yes, or even the grandparents, you name it. We got the host, we got a little everything for you.
Okay, cool.
Good.
Thank you. I'm going to start spraying everyone and see which one they like.
Like she's working on the mall. Sample.
Right. Sample.
Sorry, TJ. I sprayed you. Thank you, Mickey.
Mickey
Bye.
Williams, share the glam.
Share the glam.
All right, thanks.